We're going to take a look at a real Google Analytics account so as to have real metrics to see and check what's going on right and what's wrong. So first of all, let's take a look at Google Analytics. I got access to my Google Analytics. I asked from my developer to give me access to my Google Analytics to my site. And then we have four different pillars, four plus one pillars on Google Analytics. It's real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Let's first take a look and watch all these five. First of all, real-time, you can see in real-time how many visitors you have on your website. This is great to know how many people are on your site. Now, there are 2 people right now who checked out and completed their checkout, so I got some money on my pocket. And it's really important to see if Google Analytics is installed properly. So if Google Analytics is installed properly, here you can find people online. If this is 0 and you open your website on your own and it still is 0, then you know that Google Analytics is not installed properly. So this is one of the things you can do with real-time. Of course, the important things are inside audience and of course acquisition, behavior, and conversions. First of all, audience is people who visited your site. So here we're going to check the quality of people who came to your site and visited your site. So we're going to see the demographics, the interest. We're going to find ideas on what Google display campaigns we can do. And we can check the behavior, which pages, the technology, and see very, very interesting metrics about people who visited our website. So this is all about audience. Then there is acquisition. Acquisition is defined where people found you, which are the channels that brought people to your website. So this is my very, very important metric that I check every day. I will show you some tricks on how to check it every day easily. And then we're going to check behavior. Behavior is when people come to your site, which pages are most important for them and which pages make your visitors to leave your site, and if your website is fast enough and stuff like that. It's really important too. And then we find conversions. Conversions for any shop, it's really, really important because it shows you what people bought from your website and what are the main characteristics of the travel journey, of the visitor's journey. So we're going to check step by step how they came to our site and what made them buy our stuff. So this was the first overview of Google Analytics account. And of course, we can now start analyzing step by step all these metrics.